Good morning, guys! Nandito po ako new day at saka ang ating paglalakad. We're going roaming around in this beautiful fishing village called Ro. Dito po tayo mag-start ng ating day. Kaya follow me and I will show you around itong magandang fishing village. Salamat po. Yan, we are heading into the town. Sa city po nito. In the middle of this fishing village. We will see what will we find. This fishing village is also old town. Old place. So, malapit po ito sa dagat. Near to the water. And I think I'm not sure if it's Denmark. I'm not sure, but I will Google it. So, as usual, kami naman po ditong mag-asawa. Ginugunagunahan po, pero today is a very amazing weather. So, ito po, mga old town po dito. This is, I like in Sweden. Many place where you can see the old building. So, ito po ay one of the kanilang the heart of this place. So, maliit lang po pero very cozy. Lalo na po pag summer. So, very cozy place. So, nice weather too. We're just roaming around in this place. So, mga old style. Mga old style po dito. Parang kalug-kalug ang aking kamay dito. Malamig po. Yung mga Christmas day po. Malamig po dito. 6 minus po ngayon. But it's sunny. And I forgot to bring my gloves today. Ito po ang maliit na fishing village called Ro. Yan, may Christmas tree po dito. Dito po hindi pa baka bukas alisin na nila yan. Na. Talaga naman, napakalamig. Sunny shining. Amazing weather. Ang kanilang doon. Library. Library nila Musin. Pero yun po dahil old building. Ayan, dito po may konti silang yung mga the ducks. Oh my. Paano, bakit dito? Siguro kalata mayroong pagkain ako. Hi. Hello. May konti silang ditong very nice bridge. May park sila. Uy, ang daming ibon na lumilipad na. Sigil kalata. Magbibigay ako ng pagkain. I thought I have food for them. Wow, my God. Nandito sila, Hey, son. Are heading to the harbor. There is, they have also, of course, by the sea. So, they have a little harbor. It's a beautiful place. So dito po, daming boat, sailing boat. So this place is also special for those who have money. So tayo po naman 2026 exploring and roaming around in the richy people. Yeah, that is the harbor. Yeah. So we are heading to the harbor. The old, I don't know of this old, it's office for. Nej, så står det där. Oh, they're smoking. Yeah, this is a station for to have a ticket, to buy some ticket to go over in the other island. So ito mga parang lax itong smoker. I think so. So this is the little harbor naman. I will just go very frozen na. Frozen. Look at the water. It's frozen today. 6 minus. But look at the weather. Phenomenal weather. On the boat is sinking. It's frozen here. So this is the Raw Harbor. So you can see really nice weather. Yes, nice picture. Pop. Ganda ng panahon. Really nice. Mga fishing boat. Look at that fishing boat. Ayan. Fishing po. Fishing. Oh. Pop Raw. Ganda ng pangalan yan. Very nice. Very nice. Hi, son.
Hey.
Oh, ito po. Ito may maliliit pong ito. Very, yung maliit nilang shed. So, everybody got like this shed to put their things. So, look at the frozen. So, this is the boat where tourists for fishing around in this water. So mayroon pong dito yan. So in summer this is really beautiful. So they make that for business. If you wanna come here, so there is plenty of things to do. Makapal pa po ang snow. Still snow. But it smelting soon. Crunchy. When I go, it's crunchy. What happened? My husband. This is you can buy a ticket to go on that island that called Ven. So 300 crowns for back and forth. It's really nice. So if you ever come, here in this place, Row, there is plenty of something to do. Oh, another sailboat. You know, this place is rich man, rich man's place. So that place, it's the island called Ben. That, and that one, there is,
Ser du slottet? Voi.
yeah, is Denmark. And that, on the other side, is Denmark. And, oh, it's really cool, isn't it? So, there's something to do here. Plenty. This is a little restaurant sa summer. Madaming tao dito, full of tourists on summer. So I can't blame them. Side is Helsingborg. So I did ask to the people who roaming around. So Helsingborg. So madami po yung mga boat. Yun. Big ship. So it's really nice, cool. Yan. Iniroon po sila ditong museum. Rome Museum. Ng mga kung ano, fish daw. Anong mga iba't ibang fish. So, and that is, ano, canyon. Maliit na canyon. Ang lalaki ng ano. Pang ano nito. Ano, may ilis dun. So, isn't it cool? So, tayo mga street ng old street. Really nice. I love this day. Beautiful weather. Pagka maganda po ang panahon siya. Very ano. Pause. So, yan. We're heading to the water. Ito po ay this place, ano, sa summer, when it's summer, full of people. Nagsasunbathing and swimming area. And that is the husband. Kaway pa more. Hallelujah. So, that's it mga guys. I will end this vlog now and see you in my next vlog. Bula!